Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm in a little bit of a pinch today. I want to see if I can get this mower running, and I don't have a unit like this that fits. This is just a quick fix for when you're in a bind. On the unit that I'm working on, the mice chew through this wire. What I did first of all was clean off some of the rust with the wire wheel. So what I did was snip the wire back. You can see there's not much there. Got a piece of copper wire, stripped off the ends, used a file to take off some of the diameter. It's a little thick. Made a real sharp point on both ends, and I wedged it into one end. I'm going to wedge it into the other. I'm going to tape it up, put it on, see if it starts while I'm waiting for the new part to come in. And I'll let you know if this works. Okay, turn the key.
Yeah.
Don't touch nothing but the key. Let me see, everything's okay. Okay, turn the key.
The key.
Turning?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Oh, there we go. Nothing's happening. Try it again. Turn it again. Oh, wait. No spark.
Alright guys, we see what happens when you assume. When I picked up this tractor, I was told that it ran last year. So when I saw that wire was chewed through, I assumed that's the reason I wasn't getting the spark. I made the repair, put the module back on, still no spark. In the Kohler manual, it has these points marked off, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when you check the resistance from point 1 to 4, you can see the range and so on from 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. 1 to 4 gave me a reading, 2 to 4 gave me a reading, 3 to 4 gave me nothing. If I did this simple test in the beginning, I could have saved myself some time. I hope it'll save you some time if you run into this, and if you find this video useful, let me know by posting your comment down below, give it a thumbs up, passing it along, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.